I'm going to show you how to make these key fobs. You can use rivets like I have for these two, or you can simply sew the leather straps that I sell in my shop because they're thin enough to be sewn, but they are 100% leather. So all you're going to do is take your lobster clasp here and slide it over one short end. Do a fold that holds the lobster clasp in place. Bring the other end up and place it right over that fold. And then we will sew across here to catch it. At this point, this is where you would attach a rivet, and I'll show you that in a second. But let's sew this down. Now, if I was doing this really professionally, I'd draw an X on here and sew over that X. But I'm just going to show you really quick. I'm using white thread so you can see what I'm doing. I am using my Teflon foot. I find it's easier to use a Teflon foot with vinyl and leather. So as you can see, in just a minute or two, I have a brand new key fob. Now this one's a little short, as you can see, because I'm using some scraps to show you the method. Okay, so let's do a rivet one. We're going to measure the length of the ribbon to 14 inches. I find 14 is a good size for most people. Take the lobster clasp, feed it through, do a fold over so that it's caught, bring the other end up, place it on top, and we're going to punch a hole through all layers right in the middle. Feed a rivet through. Sometimes I have to take the layers apart because little pieces of leather are kind of still in the way and I have to pull them out. There. If you have extra long prongs, use them for all these layers. I just have regular and it just barely fits. Okay. So I've got the other end, the double cap, the other side of the rivet is on. I'm going to bring my press over, place it on the press, and it's on. And lickety split, you've got a cute little gift for somebody or a stocking stuffer. So either use a rivet or sew them on.